tree. Hi, Daddy. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Where did Buddy go?
Ah!
Where?
No.
He's gone in the hole. Was there toys there underneath the
Are there
tree?
any presents?
Any
No.
presents? Did Santa leave any presents for you?
Yeah.
Oh
He
my
did?
gosh.
He was here?
Look at all those presents.
And here's Kusa.
A scoop? They gave you a scoop truck?
Yeah.
What about a scooter? Did they bring you a scooter too?
Gaga.
Santa, yeah.
Santa.
Declan, what do you think?
Good.
A scoop truck?
You sit on the seat and then you drive it.
Let me see. Try see if it fits your hiney.
Okay.
Whoa. Cool.
Oh.
Do you like it? Santa made that for you?
Yeah, there's a bed for
Oh God.
baby.
You have it all, babe. You okay?
Yeah. There's a bed for baby.
Tell her.
Baby.
Tell her.
Look. There's a bed for you babies.
Oh.
Rocking.
Rocking for the babies, babe.
Yeah, that's for your babies.
Yeah. All right. Well, you want to open up some presents?
Yeah.
All right.